little artists! Today, we're going to draw a cute little house and a colorful car together. Ready? Let's go!
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the roof of our house. Now, draw the walls under the roof. Let's add a door. Now, draw a window beside the door. Now, draw a small chimney on top of the roof. Next, let's draw a cute car beside the house. Now, draw 2 big wheels. Let's add the car windows. Now let's draw a big tree beside the house.
Subscribe my channel.
Beautiful.
Please.
Let's draw some fluffy clouds in the sky. Now draw little grasses around the house and tree. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Trace all the lines carefully. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's bring out our rainbow color pens. Show the color pens. Red color.
Wow! Please subscribe my channel. Please. Please, please.
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
Please subscribe my channel. Please. Please, please.
Cream color. Awesome job today, little artists. You drew a cute house, a colorful car, a big tree, and fluffy clouds. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep having fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye, little artists.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.